Bone loss is happening quietly through adulthood, but the real acceleration begins when estrogen starts to fluctuate sharply, late perimenopause. Research reveals up to 20% of bone loss occurs in the first 5 to 7 years after menopause. This is the most rapid loss phase and a higher risk window for osteopenia and osteoporosis. 1 to 2% bone loss per year is typical after menopause if no interventions are made. Hi, my name is Sheila, and I'm a registered nurse, health coach, speaker, and the author of the book Beyond the Footprints of Menopause. And I'm also the founder, if you guys heard of it, program called Menopause Energize. And it's all about supporting and empowering women through their menopause journey. You know, for those of us going through menopause, we worry about different symptoms. Some of us focus on the brain fog. Some focus on the hot flashes and etc. But do you know what worries me the most in my menopause phase is bone loss. Some people seem to think that breaking a bone usually only occurs in older age, somewhere between 70 to 90, but not true, not so. When you have bone loss, just a minor fall can fracture a bone. And yes, let's clear that up. A fracture is a break. Where do these major breaks occur? You got it, the hip. Yes, indeed, the good old hip bone. Estrogen helps the osteoblasts, which are the bone builders, stay productive. But once the estrogen drops, bone breakdown speeds up immediately, I should say. But there is some good news in all of this. Research shows that you can reverse bone loss and increase bone density. And there's a lot of interventions, but the number one intervention for bone loss, ladies, is strength training. Progressive resistant training can increase spine and hip bone density. This is because of the load and the muscle pull stimulates osteoblasts, the bone building cells. Always check with your healthcare provider to check what strength training exercise is best for you, because I'm not a fitness expert. There may be certain exercises your body may not be able to tolerate, but even 2 to 3 sessions per week can produce measurable improvements. And women, don't forget to make sure you keep on tabs with your DEXA scan. Most doctors will tell you every 2 to 3 years. This is the scan that measures your bone density. So ladies, there is a lot to deal with in the menopause transition. I know I've been there and I've been in some dark places, but I'm doing much better. But if you are facing some menopause challenges and trying to handle it on your own, please join me for my free webinar on the 5 consequences of managing menopause alone. It will guide you to the right support, tools, and resources that will help you get through your menopause challenges to not just survive, but thrive in your menopause journey. And I do want to let you know that I do, part of my routine is the, the strength training. And I will see with my next scan if there is a difference in the results. But again, the link is in the bio, and I hope to see you at this webinar. And hopefully it'll be very informative. Until then, stay energized. Take care.